Hello, I'm David Miles from the PPC Machine, and I'd like to thank you for buying one of my ready-made lead magnet kits. In this short video, I'm going to show you two things. First of all, I'm going to take you through the items that are in the lead magnet kit and quickly explain what they all are and what they do. And then secondly, I'm going to show you how you can edit the content of the lead magnet if you want to before you put it up on your website. So the first thing you need to do, if you haven't already done so, is to download the lead magnet kit from the website using the download link that would have been sent to you after you completed the payment. And then once you've downloaded that zip file, open it up and extract the contents, and you'll end up with a folder containing these 5 files here. I'm doing this on a Mac. Obviously, if you're on a Windows machine, it will look slightly different, but the actual contents of the zip file will be the same. The names of the files will obviously vary depending on which of the lead magnet kits it is that you've bought. This one here is the Sell Your Home Faster lead magnet kit, which is designed for people who want to target home movers, but it'll be very similar with all of the others. So what you'll find is in there, there'll be one PDF file, which will be the actual finished lead magnet. So there's what that one looks like. And then there's a PowerPoint file there, which is what we're going to be working on in a moment. There'll be a PNG file like this one here, which is just a straightforward image of the front cover of the lead magnet. So you can use that on your website, on your landing pages where you are giving the lead magnet away. And then there will also be a 3D version of the book, a mock-up of the lead magnet made to look like a book. And depending on which lead magnet kit it is you bought, there may be other 3D mock-ups in there. For example, this composite one here shows the lead magnet as a book and appearing on a phone and on a tablet. So as the name implies, because this is a ready-made lead magnet, you could just use this PDF as it is without making any changes to it. But the chances are you are going to want to make a few tweaks, even if they're only small ones. So let me show you how you would do that. So here I am in the PowerPoint file. If you don't have PowerPoint itself, you can also edit that PPTX file using Google Slides, which is Google's free version of PowerPoint. So you'll see we have the front cover there, and we've got all different pages of text. Now, one thing you almost certainly will want to edit is that towards the end of each lead magnet, I include a call to action encouraging people to get in touch with you, and I have put a click here link in there. The idea of that being people can click on that and go through to wherever you want them to go, but typically the contact page of your website where you'll have an inquiry form that they can fill in. So this is obviously something which needs to be updated to point to the correct page of your particular website. So the way we do that is if we click into here and just select that text and then go to the insert menu in PowerPoint and then link, and then you just put in the website address of your contact page. So if I was doing this for my own website, for example, then it would be ppcmachine.co.uk/contact and then OK, and that will now point to my contact page. If you wanted to do any other changes, so for example, if you wanted to change this bit here, so instead of saying we can't pretend, it actually mentions the name of your business, you could just click in there, delete the word we, and put something else in there, whatever works for you. So something like that, and obviously you can do that on any of the pages of the lead magnet. And once you're finished, then I would suggest that you do save as and save that as a new file, just in case you want to be able to easily go back to the original one at any point. So I'll just call that Sell Your Home Faster brackets edited. And then the final thing you'd need to do is to create the PDF version of your amended copy of the lead magnet. So if we go File, Save As, again this will look slightly different on the, if you're using a Windows machine, do Save As, change the file type to PDF, check that the name makes sense, and then export. And so now if I return to that folder where I extracted all the files to originally. You'll see here I've now got the edited versions of my PowerPoint and the PDF, and if I open the PDF we can double check that that link works. So let's go down to the final page, click here, and there we are. As you can see, it's taken me through to my contact page. So as you can see, it's very easy to make those kind of minor edits to the lead magnet before you use it. If you do need any help with that though, send me an email or give me a call and I'll be happy to help. And I'll be sending you another email tomorrow with a link to a video that will show you how you can do slightly bigger changes to the lead magnet if you want, in order to brand it with your own company logo, colour scheme, etc. So if that's of interest, then do watch out for that email coming from me tomorrow. Until then, thanks again for buying the lead magnet, and I'll speak to you soon.